Hey guys, just covering our wireless receiver module here. So obviously like this part's like the sender. This will be plugged in behind your horn panel. That will be going into your steering wheel controls. That'll be going to horn power. That'll be going to ground. So that's behind the steering wheel. We have like another video covering that, but that should be pretty straightforward. Then behind the head unit, we have the receiver. So this is an example of a Toyota harness. So this here will be plugged into the back of our head unit. And you'll probably already have like these plugs into some plugs on the car side. Now, all you have to do is come in here. You would have already had our one hooked up, so unplug it from the car side, plug that into here. So that's going to give you your power into there like so. Let's see if that's a bit bent. Looks all right. So that plugs into there. This side here is going to plug into the car side one. That's basically giving you a piggyback for your power. This little one here, don't worry about. And your other one here is going to go into the key wires. So this might be plugged onto the car side, or it might currently not be plugged in. If you didn't have steering wheel controls already, it's probably unplugged. But either way, unplug this, and this just plugs into here, like so. And that is giving us our steering wheel controls. So you don't have to worry about like these two. You can use these two here if you need to manually tap into our key wires. And our key wires are coming off here, normally a brown and a brown with a black stripe on, which you can actually see these two here. But in the case of most Toyotas, we're going to have this plug here on it. So these two here, just tape them up and put them out of the way. This don't worry about. That's into the car side. Then you're basically all good to go. All you have to do then is read the instructions in the back here. Hold key on receiver until light starts to flash. So when that starts to flash, you're in learning mode. Obviously, they'll make sure the car's on for that. And then just press a button on the steering wheel control, and that would appear these two. And then you just need to go into the steering wheel control learning app, which on the M series is just under like settings, steering wheel control, and you just press volume up, for example, and then press a volume up in the steering wheel.